and 10. Oh, fits all on one page. I don't know about you, but I particularly like shortcuts. I particularly, in mathematics, like shortcuts. They help me. I'm somewhat of a lazy math student. So today, if you're like me, and you like to take shortcuts in math to get the right answer, then you will like, today is all about divisibility. Me and my mistakes. This is a V. Divisibility. All right, in mathematics, divisibility means, here's an example. Is 25 divisible by 5? Yes, because 5 divides evenly into. So if you, at 25, if you are divisible, if you have divisibility, then you must divide evenly into. No leftovers, no remainders, no pieces or parts. Goes in 5 whole times. So hey, we got that? Now let me show you some shortcuts, which you probably already know. A number is divisible by 2, 5, 10, and 3. Here's some shortcuts that you probably already know. A number is divisible by 2 if, really think about it. All even numbers are divisible by 2. 2 divides evenly into all even numbers. So if it's even, that means it ends in a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. Right? Yeah. Like 10 is divisible by 2, it goes in 5 times. 14 is divisible by 2, it goes in 7 times. Yes. Okay, moving on. A number is divisible by 5. Think about it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. They all end in 5s or zeros. So yes, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 5 or a 0. Same things with 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Those are the multiples of 10. They all end in 0. Any multiple of 10 means it will divide evenly into. That's where it came from, forwards and backwards. All right, here's a fun one though. And this one's the one I want us to use regularly to save us time, save us energy. A number is always divisible by 3. You don't even have to check it. It will divide evenly into if, cool shortcut, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, which means no matter how long the number, you add up the digits. Here's an example, 32,802. It's even. It looks like that's probably not divisible by 3. 3 is an odd number. It probably won't go in. But guess what? 32,802 is divisible by 3 because 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 is 15. If the sum of the digits, which are these, which we just summed up, added up, if it's divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3, it divides evenly in 2, then guess what? The whole number is. Don't believe me? Stop this and check it right now, and you'll see it divides evenly in 2. So the last thing I want to do is practice or try out our divisibility rules. And we're going to make a checklist. Let's check these numbers for divisibility by 2, 5, 10, and 3. A checklist. Check, 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 check. We're going to record them on this chart. We're going to see if 4 is divisible by 2, 5, 10, and 3. And then we're going to check for divisibility of this number, this number. Okay, ready? Let's try one. All right. Is 4 divisible by 2? Yes. 2. Put 2 on the list. 2 will divide evenly into 4. We're going to make a list. Is 4 divisible by 5? Does it end in a 5 or 0? No. Don't put 5 on the list. Is it divisible by 10? No. It doesn't end in 0. Don't put 10 on the list. And is it divisible by 3? No. 4 plus itself is 4 and it's not divisible by 3. So 2 is the only number that divides evenly into 4. Right? All right, let's try 32. Getting a little bit bigger here. All right, 32. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, 2, because it divides evenly into something that ends in 2. It's even. Is it divisible by 5? 10. Does it end in a 0? 3. I don't know. Let's see. What's 3 plus 2? It equals 5. There's my sum. Is that divisible by 3? Then neither is 32. 3 won't go in evenly. It'll have leftovers. 75, getting bigger. Like we knew these numbers, we know their multiplication, their factors, but we don't always know all the factors of 75. Let's try it. Let's see if 2 will divide evenly into 75. No, not even. Doesn't end in a 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Will 5 divide evenly into 75? Yes, it ends in a 5. Will 10 divide evenly into 75? Will it? No, because it doesn't end in a 0. I don't know. Let's check it. Let's add the digits together. 7 plus 5 is 12. The sum is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Then 75 is divisible by 3. Wow. Another one. 99. Is that divisible by 2? No. 5? No. 10? No. What about 3? I don't know. What's 9 plus 9? 18? 18 is divisible by 3, so guess what? So is 99. Next one. 4,165. Let's see. Is it divisible by 2? No, not even. 5? Yes. Ends in a 5, so it's divisible by 5. 3? I don't know. Let's check. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. Let me double check myself. 9, 10, 16. Is 16 divisible by 3? No. If 3 won't go into 16 evenly, then 3 is not going to go into this entire number evenly. So don't put it on the list. Try that one on your own.